weather conditions, all flights domestic and international have been canceled.
Yeah, sure, he can stay in your room. I mean, I'm practically chained to my desk doing work anyway, so I'll be here. Yeah, no worries. Marcos?
Hi. That's a Spanish thing.
Two kisses, right. Claire says you guys know each other from college?
College, yeah.
She said you make movies.
Yeah, it's a dog.
What's it about?
It's about gay sex and dicks.
Okay.
Yeah.
She seemed really excited about this. Two gay guys in one house.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
You blew him.
No.
You kissed him.
No.
Are you a virgin? Well, I don't believe in monogamy, so cheating makes no sense. I feel like I've yet to meet someone that can look me in the eyes and say monogamy makes sense.
You never been in a relationship? Right. No spoilers. You wouldn't get it.
Why wouldn't I get it?
Well, you clearly don't. Living in the present. And how you decide you want to live in the present.